Hello YouTube, household appliances and health. Refrigerator, TV, microwave oven, air conditioner. A modern person can no longer imagine his life without these and other electrical appliances. But no one thinks about the fact that household appliances can pose a threat to health. What are we risking by turning on the microwave or the TV? Microwave threatens blindness. All household appliances are a source of noise. If a person also works in noisy production, then deafness may gradually develop. Also, people suffering from an increased load on the auditory analyzer experience constant stress. Household appliances also emit electromagnetic waves. And this happens even when the device button is turned off but the cord stays in the outlet. One of the most harmful household appliances for human health is the microwave oven. The negative influence is especially increased when the device is faulty. Exposure to microwave ovens is extremely dangerous. On the principles of their work, they even came up with devices with which you can disperse the crowd. If the microwave oven is faulty, its energy enters the room, for example, through the gap between the housing and the door. This is fraught with damage to the eyes, which can gradually lead to blindness. Therefore, people who work with microwave sources very often suffer from cataracts. Still, such energy threatens male problems and diseases of the nervous system. It is not safe to heat food in plastic containers in the microwave. This leads to the release of carcinogens and other toxins that pass into the food. Ionizers can kill. Even more dangerous devices are air ionizers, which, if used ineptly, can even kill a person. This is especially threatening to those people who do not know English or another language in which the instructions for using the device are drawn up. For example, in the annotation to the device in English it is written, "After turning on the ionizer, you need to leave the room." What happens if someone does not know the language or the child accidentally presses the power button when the mother is not at home? In my opinion, such devices are needed still as a weapon. Air conditioners cause allergies. Air conditioners can also cause various diseases. First of all, these are colds. Indeed, as a result of a sharp change in air temperature, when it is plus 35 degrees outside, and plus 25 degrees indoors, there is a risk of bronchitis and pneumonia. And air conditioners can become a source of the spread of infectious diseases. The reason is that pathogenic microorganisms, mold spores penetrate from the environment into the air conditioning system, where there is high humidity. As a result, allergies, runny nose, headaches, tonsillitis, asthmatic reactions occur. The best way to avoid this is to clean your air conditioner every 2 weeks. Mobile phone is a hotbed of infection. Mobile phones are not entirely harmless either. Researchers have proven that they can contribute to the development of brain cancer. Therefore, long conversations on a mobile phone are contraindicated for children and pregnant women. It is also advisable to take the device out of the bedroom at night, since radiation from a mobile phone, especially from older models, can cause headaches and insomnia. Also, a mobile phone is a real breeding ground for pathogens. Researchers have even found so-called superbugs, bacteria that are resistant to one or more of the antibiotics commonly used to treat infectious diseases, on cell phones. Therefore, phones, when turned off, must be wiped with a damp disinfectant wipe. And this should be done once or twice a day. Scientists do not advise unnecessarily to use a gas stove. After all, the combustion of household gas releases high concentrations of toxic substances. Computers can also be harmful to health, especially if children sit near them for hours. Therefore, in order for technology to really serve a person, and not slowly kill him, it is necessary to contact household appliances as little as possible. And the time that you are going to spend near a computer or TV is better to give to communication with wildlife. How to protect yourself from the negative effects of household appliances. Place devices no closer than 1.5 to 2 meters from your chair, bed, dining table, etc. If there are electrical panels, powerful cables, etc. in the apartment or near the apartment, then the resting place should be located at an even greater distance from them, 2.5 to 3 meters. For greater certainty, you can call specialists to measure the electromagnetic field from these devices. Ventilate the room as often as possible. Do not talk on a mobile phone continuously for more than 3 or 4 minutes and no more than 20 minutes a day. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.